online prescription resources. Okay, so we'll be talking about types of online prescription resources, such as websites, apps, telemedicine, and steps for using online prescription resources, such as creating an account, filling out a medical questionnaire, submitting a prescription. We'll also be covering benefits and limitations of using online prescription resources and tips for finding reliable online prescription resources. So what are some types of online prescription resources? Well, there are several types of online prescription resources available to individuals seeking healthcare services. Numerous websites provide online healthcare services, including prescription resources. These platforms may offer virtual consultations with licensed healthcare professionals who can diagnose conditions, provide medical advice, and issue prescriptions when appropriate. Some popular examples include Healthline, Amwell, and Lemonade Health. So, what are telemedicine services? Telemedicine refers to remote healthcare services provided through telecommunications technology. Telemedicine platforms enable patients to consult with healthcare professionals through video calls, phone calls, or secure messaging. During these consultations, physicians can evaluate symptoms, diagnose conditions, and prescribe medications as necessary. Examples of telemedicine services include Teledoc, MD Live, and Doctor on Demand. Many pharmacies have online platforms or mobile apps that allow individuals to order prescriptions medications remotely. These platforms typically require a valid prescription from a healthcare provider, which can be submitted electronically. Users can then choose to have the medications delivered or to their desk to pick up from a nearby pharmacy. There are mobile applications designed specifically for prescription management and medication reminders. These apps help individuals organize their prescriptions, set reminders for medication doses, and refill prescriptions if needed. Some examples include MediSafe, MyTherapy, and PillPack. Health insurance portals. Some health insurance providers offer online portals or mobile apps that allow their members to access a range of healthcare services, including prescription resources. These platforms may provide tools to search for nearby pharmacies, check medication coverage, review prescription history, and even connect with health professionals for virtual consultations. Certain online platforms specialize in prescription refills for chronic conditions. These services typically require individuals to provide information about their prescriptions, and they facilitate the delivery of medications to the individual's home on a recurring basis. Examples include Medley, Capsule, and PillPack. So, what are some of the steps you take? Well, it really depends on the type of platform or services you're using. First of all, you need to do some research and select a trusted platform. Look for platforms that are licensed, have positive reviews, prioritize privacy and security, and comply with relevant healthcare regulations. Then you need to create an account. If required, create an account on the chosen platform. This may involve providing your basic personal information, contact details, and creating a username and password. Some platforms may also require you to verify your identity. Medical questionnaire. In order to assess your health condition and prescribe medications, online prescription resources typically ask you to fill out a medical questionnaire. This questionnaire gathers information about your medical history, current current symptoms, allergies, and any medications you're currently taking. Be thorough and accurate when filling out the questionnaire to provide the healthcare professional with a comprehensive understanding of your health. Consultation. Depending on the platform, you may be scheduled for a virtual consultation with a healthcare professional. This can be done through video calls, phone calls, or secure messaging. The healthcare professional will review your medical questionnaire, ask further questions if necessary, and discuss your symptoms, concerns, and treatment options. Diagnosis and prescription. Based on the consultation and medical questionnaire, the healthcare professional will make a diagnosis and determine if a prescription is necessary. If a prescription is deemed appropriate, the healthcare professional will select the medication, dosage, and duration of treatment. If the online prescription research does not directly dispense medications, the prescription may be electronically submitted to your partner pharmacy or to a pharmacy of your choice. You may need to provide the pharmacy's information during the process. In some cases, the prescription may be sent to you electronically, allowing you to fill it at a physical pharmacy. If the online prescription research offers medication delivery services, you will need to provide your shipping address and payment details for the delivery. Alternatively, you may be able to pick up the prescribed medication from the local pharmacy, depending on the platform and your preference. Follow-up and monitoring. Some online prescription resources may offer follow-up consultation or monitoring services to track your progress. Adjust medications if needed or answer any questions you may have. This can be done through subsequent virtual consultations or secure messaging. So, what are some of the benefits? Well, it is definitely very convenient and it is very accessible. Online prescription resources provide convenience by allowing you to access healthcare services from the comfort of your own home. It eliminates the need for in-person visits to the healthcare facilities, saving your time and effort. It is also time efficient and cost saving. Online prescription resources can save time by reducing travel and waiting times associated with traditional healthcare visits. Additionally, they may offer competitive pricing for medications, potentially reducing costs compared to physical pharmacies. Expanded healthcare access. Online prescription resources can be especially beneficial for individuals in remote areas or those with limited access to healthcare facilities. They provide a way to connect with healthcare professionals and access prescription services regardless of geographical location. Privacy and confidentiality. Online prescription resources often prioritize privacy and data security, allowing you to have a confidential interaction with healthcare professionals. This can be particularly important when discussing sensitive health information. Medication management. Online prescription resources may provide tools and features to help you manage your medication effectively. This can include reminders, refill notifications, and online prescription history, making it easier to stay organized and adhere to prescribed treatment. Using online prescription resources can offer several benefits, but it is also important to be aware of their limitations. Online consultations may not allow for a comprehensive physical examination, which can be essential for accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Some conditions may require in-person assessment, making online resources less suitable for certain medical situations. Online prescription resources may have limitations on the types of conditions they can diagnose and treat. They may be more suitable for certain common conditions and routine prescriptions, while complex or specialized healthcare needs may require in-person consultation. Tips to follow. There are a couple of tips that you can follow in order to find reliable online prescriptions. Start by researching well-established and reputable online prescription resources. Look for platforms that are licensed, regulated, and adhere to appropriate compliance standards. Check if they have positive reviews and recommendations from reputable resources. Ensure that the healthcare professionals providing online services are licensed and qualified to practice medicine. Look for information about their qualifications, certifications, and affiliations with professional organizations. The platform should provide clear details about the healthcare professionals' credentials. Look for online prescription resources that have relevant accreditations or certifications. For example, in the United States, the platform should be accredited by organizations such as the American Telemedicine Association (ATA), or follow guidelines from the Healthcare Information and Management Systems Society (HIMSS). Legitimate online prescription resources should provide clear information about their services, fees, and processes. They should comply with the relevant healthcare regulations and guidelines. Look for transparency regarding their prescribing policies, consultation procedures, and how they handle potential adverse events. Read reviews and testimonials from other users to get a sense of their experiences with the platform. Check if there are any red flags or complaints regarding the quality of care, prescription practices, or privacy concerns. If you're unsure about a particular online prescription resource, consult with your primary health provider. They may be able to provide recommendations or insights into trustworthy platforms that offer online services. Ensure that the online prescription resource verifies prescriptions and requires a valid prescription from a licensed healthcare provider before dispensing medication. This helps prevent misuse and promotes responsible prescribing practices. Now we're going to do a live demo. These are some of the websites that can do some prescriptions and do that. Okay, so this website is called Pocket Pills, and then you can explore some of the options right here. For instance, if we're already taking medications, we can transfer prescription from our current pharmacy and deliver some of the medications to us. And then if we're asking for a new prescription, we can upload a picture and they'll deliver our medications as well. And if we need a prescription, we can obviously see a doctor online, or we could ask the doctor to send their number or their information online. And yeah, this is Pocket Pills, which is one of the useful information. And all the following websites are fairly could provide similar benefits to provide online healthcare. Yeah, thank you for listening.